We're the creators of AirDog, the world's first auto-flow action sports drone. This aerial camera gives sports performers the solution they've been needing: incredible footage with unbelievable ease and accuracy.
Hi, I'm Edgar. I'm going to show you something that changes how action sports enthusiasts capture the most epic moments.
We're a group of innovators who are passionate about action sports. We use GoPro cameras to capture our own sports action. Until now, you needed somebody to follow you around and to film you, but the performance never looked as good as it actually felt. That's about to change. Action sports deserve the explosive power of mind-blowing action shots, aerial perspective, and super smooth flow motion.
We're ready to show the world what it's all about. Check this!
AirDog is a quadcopter that automatically follows the rider and captures the action using a GoPro camera. AirDog flies and follows, making sure that your every move is perfectly captured.
AirDog follows the rider by tracking the air leash. Air leash sends control commands and tracking signal to the drone.
Why confine yourself to stationary videos or a ground-level perspective? The AirDog takes things to a whole new level. It's a totally hassle-free way to get unreal footage. You don't need remote control skills. You don't need to operate the drone. You just need to concentrate on your best performance. AirDog does the rest. Put the air leash on your wrist or helmet, turn the AirDog and remote on, press takeoff, and you're done. Let the games begin. AirDog is now in action. You can make any necessary altitude adjustments or set the distance and angle, and you're good to go. More advanced features like track or lap recording or specific flight modes can be configured or uploaded from a smartphone app. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, skating, surfing, snowboarding, or even filming my indie movie, AirDog is right there. It's like my personal cameraman. You don't have to worry about framing the shots or getting the right angle. AirDog has a gyro-stabilized gimbal that will do everything for you. It's never been this easy to look this good on camera. Our engineers, developers, and designers have done everything to launch the production of the initial batch of AirDogs. We have it, we use it already, and now we need your help to launch this awesomeness into the world of action sports. This will change the way action sports are captured. You can be the first owners of the AirDog. Whatever your passion, AirDog is in the moment. Whether you're craving insane aerial shots or 30-mile-per-hour downhill speed motion, you simply can't get footage like this any other way. AirDog lets you show the world what you care about, how you kick ass, and what extreme sports are all about. We're looking for backers who share our passion, our enthusiasm, and our thirst for adventure.
So here it is, the AirDog. We have it, we use it, and we want it to become available for you. That's why we are on Kickstarter. With your support of AirDog, we'll achieve perfection and launch production. So the future of AirDog is now in your hands.